Hello students, I am Neeraj Paul, your subject teacher of GK. Today I am going to explain about wildlife protection. Each and every student look at the mobile screen very carefully. Today we will know about the national park. You can see here that today's topic is wildlife protection. Okay, and here I have mentioned some national park. Today we will learn about national park. Okay, you can see here first is Kanha National Park. Okay, first is Kanha National Park. Dear students, Kanha National Park is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Kanha National Park is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Kanha National Park is situated in Madhya Pradesh. And what is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Bhopal. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. And who is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh? Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Second is Gir National Park. And one more thing, students, who is the Governor of Madhya Pradesh? Anandiben Patel. Anandiben Patel is the Governor of Madhya Pradesh and UP. Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Anandiben is the Governor of both states, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Next national park is Gir National Park. Dear students, Gir National Park is situated in Gujarat. Okay, Gujarat. As you all know, students, Gir National Park is situated in Gujarat. And what is the capital of Gujarat? Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Okay. And the next is Sundarban Sanctuary. Students, where is Sundarban Sanctuary? Sundarban Sanctuary is situated in West Bengal. West Bengal. Okay. Next is Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park is situated in Assam. Okay. And where is the capital of Assam? As you all know, students, Dispur. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Okay, I will make a video of CM and Governor. Okay, today we will know about the national park and where it is situated. Fifth number is Sariska Reserve. Where is Sariska Reserve? Students, Sariska Reserve is situated in Rajasthan. Okay. Sariska Reserve is situated in Rajasthan. Clear? Next is Periyar Sanctuary. Students, Periyar Sanctuary is situated in Kerala. Okay, Periyar Sanctuary is situated in Kerala. And the seventh number is Corbett National Park. Tell me students, where is Corbett National Park? Corbett National Park is situated in Uttarakhand. Okay? Corbett National Park is situated in Uttarakhand. Clear? Next is Bandipur National Park. Tell me students, where is Bandipur National Park? Students, Bandipur National Park is situated in Karnataka. Okay? And ninth number is Madumalai Sanctuary. Okay? Next one is Madumalai Sanctuary. Okay? Students, Madumalai Sanctuary is situated in Tamil Nadu. Okay? The right answer is Tamil Nadu. Okay students, so this is national parks and where it is situated. First is Kanha National Park. Okay, look at the board everyone. Kanha National Park is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Gir National Park is situated in Gujarat. Sundarban Sanctuary is situated in Bengal. And fourth, Kaziranga National Park, it is situated in Assam. Fifth is Sariska Reserve, it is situated in Rajasthan. Sixth is Periyar Sanctuary, it is situated in Kerala. Seventh is Corbett National Park, it is situated in Uttarakhand. Eighth is Bandipur National Park, it is situated in Karnataka. And ninth is Madumalai Sanctuary, it is situated in Tamil Nadu. Okay? Today we will know about the jaguar, panther, lynx, cheetah, puma, lion and tiger. So students, first of all, we will know about jaguar. What is jaguar? Dear students, jaguar is a wild cat. It is a large cat with yellowish brown fur and black rings. Jaguar has a large yellowish brown fur and black rings. It lives in Southwest America. It bites directly through the skull between the ear to deliver a fatal blow to the brain. Jaguar is a wild cat family. Jaguar belong to wild cat family. Second is panther. Panther is also belong to cat family. Its name is the black specimen. This is commonly named a panther, black specimen. It can hunt and kill heavy animals up to 650 kg. Panther can hunt and kill up to 650 kg. Third is lynx. Dear students, lynx have short tail and a tuft of hair on the tips of ear. They have large paws and long seekers on the face. Hunting them is illegal in many countries. You can't hunt a lynx. Hunting them is illegal. Next is cheetah. Dear students, cheetah hunts by speed. It is the fastest of all land animals and can reach up to the speed of 120 km per hour. Its chest is deep and waist is narrow. Dear students, cheetah is the fastest land animal. The fur is tan with small round black spots. Its head is small with high set eyes. Next is puma. Dear students, puma is also belong to the cat family. It is also called the cougar. It is found in southern Andes of South America. Its main food is deer and its weight up to 90 kg. It cannot roar. Dear students, puma cannot roar like panther, lion, and next is lion. Dear students, lion is a large, powerful animal. It has yellowish brown fur and the male has a mane and weighs up to between 150 to 225 kilograms. It is the second largest cat. Students, lion is the second largest cat. First largest cat is jaguar and second largest cat is lion. And the next is tiger. Students, tiger is the largest and heaviest cat in the world. Tiger is the largest and heaviest cat in the world. The stripes vary from brown to pure black on golden fur. Dear students, the strips vary from brown to pure black and golden fur. A male can weigh up to 320 kg and the form and density of strips differ between them, but most have an excess of 100 strips. Okay, so dear students, today we have learned about the wild cats. Okay, and you have to search out some other wild cats and you have to write down in your CW copy, and you have to write 2 or 3 statements related to them. Okay, this is your home assignment. You have to write down some wild cats and you have to write few lines about them in your CW copy, and you have to draw the picture of lion and puma. Okay, you have to draw the picture of lion and puma. You have to draw the picture of lion and puma. This is your HW. Okay, students. So you have to do in your CW copy. Okay, students. Once again, listen about jaguar. Students, it is a large cat with yellowish fur and black rings. It lives in Southwest America. It bites directly through the skull between the ear to deliver a fatal blow to the brain. Panther, its name is the common name for the black specimen of cat family. They have large paws and long seeker on the face. Hunting them is illegal in many countries. And the next is cheetah. It hunts by speed. Cheetah always hunt by their speed, and it is the faster land animal and can reach up to the speed of 120 km per hour. Its chest is deep. Its chest is deep and waist is narrow. The fur is tan with small round black spots. Head is small with high set eyes. And the next is puma. Dear students, it is also called the cougar. It is found in southern Andes of South America. Its main food is deer and its weight up to 90 kg. It cannot roar. Next is lion. Dear students, it is the large powerful animal. It has yellowish brown fur and the male has a mane and weight up to 150 to 225 kilograms. It is the second largest cat. Lion is the second largest cat, and the next it is the tiger. Tiger is the largest and heaviest cat in the world. The stripes vary from brown to pure black on golden fur. A male can weigh up to 320 kg. The form and density of strips differ between them, but most have an excess of 100 strips. Okay, students. Now the next day I will explain wildlife production. Okay. Bye bye everyone. Have a good day.